Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal and today I'm going to show you guys how I got that look. So first I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face. That's very important, especially if you have really dry skin. And even if you have oily skin, you should always keep your face hydrated. So I did fill in my brows off camera, so all I'm gonna do is use my concealer as my base for the eyeshadow. Then I'm just gonna line the brow and spread it with my fingers. Oh, and just a heads up guys, while I was importing the video, somehow well, not somehow, I was just being impatient and I canceled the video that I was importing, and some of the things got deleted, so I had to like redo it. But when I get there, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, so after I set the concealer, I'm just gonna go in with the green, and that is my Beauty Gems palette that I bought at Ulta. I'm not sure if it's available anymore. It's probably not available. Who knows? I don't know. But you guys can either go in store or go online and check to see if it's still available. So yeah, the whole thing that I wanted for this look, I actually didn't know what look I was going for, but I know that I wanted to go with green, and I want like dark at the top and like a light green at the bottom. So that's kind of what I was going for, and I mean, personally, I'm pleased with the results, so that's why you guys are even seeing it. That's like the struggle of being a content creator. I don't classify myself to be a YouTuber. I just think that I'm a content creator, pretty much. But yeah, then I'm gonna go in with the black in the same palette and go on the like closer to the lid, because I'm going for a cut crease. So I don't want the black to be all over the green, because I still want the green to pop. The only reason why we're using the black is just to darken the green a bit more, because I want like kind of like a dark shadow to be over the cut crease. So I'm just gonna blend it in, blend in the black with the green. And for some reason, I don't know if my eyelids are extra dry that day, because I think I have the driest lids on planet Earth and the rest of my face is oily. It's just crazy. But yeah, it took a very long time for the colors to blend in. I don't know what was going on, but now I'm just gonna move on to doing the cut crease. Even there we can see that the black isn't blended out, but I mean, it was workable. Yeah, we could work with it. So at the tip, the outer corner of the eye, you can see right there it has like this like deep black dark green look. That's what I was going for. So all I'm doing is using my concealer to do the cut crease, and I do have a video up on like the basics of a cut crease. You guys can check that out. So right here, as you guys can see, I already have my makeup on. My face is looking oily because I edited the video the same day that I filmed it, which was yesterday. So here I'm just showing you guys what I did. Just use a light color for the lid, and then that kind of what do you call that, lime green? I think that's kind of like a lime green. I'm just gonna put it right in the cut crease, and I think it blends in so well. And then for the wing, I don't have a liner, so I'm just gonna show you guys what you can do to improvise. You just get a tiny brush. I'm using a crease brush, and I just dip it in my mascara and make the wing. So back to the time when I was actually filming. All I did was line my waterline with the black pencil. That's my Sephora pencil, but you can use anyone. Then I go underneath it with my dark green from the sorry, from the palette, and put my Wet n Wild lashes on, and boom, we're back to the part to later on in the day. Yes, my face is so shiny. Yeah, that's because I didn't really set it that good. So yeah, hope you guys don't mind. So I'm just gonna show you guys some lip options. Just gonna line my lip with a brown pencil, then go in with kind of like a burgundy dark red, deep dark red, whatever you want to call it, lip color from Wet n Wild. And yeah, that's what it's looking like. Then I'm gonna take it off and show you guys the second one. So for that one, I'm gonna be using a L'Oreal matte lipstick this time. The Wet n Wild one is actually not matte, it is a bit glossy, and the L'Oreal one, even though it's matte, guys, oh my goodness, it feels so creamy when you just put it on and it glides on your lip. It's crazy. And for the third look, I'm just gonna line my lip with a brown pencil because I don't have a matte dark brown lipstick. So just to add a little something to that, I'm just gonna go over it with some Carmex or any shiny lip gloss just to give it that shininess. And yeah, so there you go, 4 different lip looks that you could wear with the makeup. Then now I'm gonna do the wig. I don't know why I didn't braid my hair before I started this video, but yeah, that's wig number 1, just a curly wig that I customized. And then for wig 2, just gonna go in with like a little short, oh, why did I say it like that? A little short bob. Is that, what do you call it, a bob? Yeah, it's kind of like a bob. I wouldn't say it's a pixie. Then kind of shape the face, shape the hair to match the face. I was really feeling that wig. And then this one, this one was not gonna go on because my hair isn't braided down. But it's the same wig that I wore in my last video, so you guys can go check that out. And then bam, that's just like a head wrap that you guys can wear. And these are some close-ups of what the eye looked like. So I really do hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Oh, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description box.